what does a person do to buy some goods? Well, you can see here that the girl is spending some money to purchase some goods. Now, so we can say that in order to buy some goods, she needs to spend some currency. Now, when you go out and you have played the entire evening and you are very tired once you return back, and if somebody asks you to do some work, what will you say? Well, you will say that you are very tired and you don't have the energy to do work. So you see, energy is very important for doing work, isn't it? So if we compare goods to work and currency to energy, then we can say that in order to do some work, we need to spend some energy. So just like in the case of goods and currency, in order to buy some goods, you had to spend some currency. Similarly, in order to do some work, you need to spend some energy. So in order to buy more quantity of goods, what will you do? Well, you will need to spend more currency, isn't it? So in order to buy more quantity of goods, she needs to spend more currency. Now, similarly, if again we compare goods to work and currency to energy, then we can say that in order to do more work, we need to spend more energy. And if you want to buy less number of goods, that is, in order to buy less quantity of goods, what will you do? Well, as you will buy less quantity of goods, so she needs to spend less currency. Simple, isn't it? Similarly, it happens in the case of work too. So, in order to do less work, we need to spend less energy. So, as you can see in the case of goods and currency, in order to buy less goods, you had to spend less amount of currency. Similarly, in order to do less work, you need to spend less amount of energy. So, when you are very tired and your mom gives you some food and juices and drinks, what exactly happens? Well, you again feel energized and you can work again. So, what exactly happened when you had some food? Well, you got the energy to do work. So, you see again, you got the energy, then you were able to work. So, energy and work have a relationship. So, energy is required to do work, isn't it? Now, we can say that energy gives us the capacity to do work. So, only when you have energy, you get the capacity to do work. So, more energy is required when you want to do more work, and less energy is required when you want to do less work. So, energy is the capacity to do work. So, you see, energy and work have a very strong relationship. You can do work only when you have energy, because energy is the capacity to do work. This man here is driving a car, but his car suddenly stops because his car has no fuel. How will the car run again? Well, he will have to refuel the car. So only when the car has fuel inside it can it run, because the fuel gives energy to the car, and the car can run only when it gets energy from the fuel. So you see, even the car can do work only when it gets energy from the fuel. Now, what about your toy car? Now, all those remote cars which you play with, even those require batteries, isn't it? Well, because only when you put batteries inside the car, they will run, because they need energy from the batteries. So you see, even the toy cars, in order to do work, require energy. So any work, if it has to be performed, energy is required for it. What about this fan? Will this fan run if you remove this plug out of the socket? It will not, because it is getting energy from the electricity which the socket is providing to the fan. So only when the fan will get energy from the socket, it will run. That is why energy is again required here in order to do work. So tell me, what is required to do work? What is the main thing which is required for work to be done? Well, it is energy. Only when you have energy, you can do work. So in order to do any work, we need to have energy. So you see, energy is the capacity to do work. Only when you have the capacity to do work, you will be able to perform any work, isn't it? So energy is that capacity which allows you to work. So energy is needed for any work to be done. So any work, whether it is big or small, it requires energy for the work to be done. And without energy, there is no work at all. And that's why energy is the capacity to do work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.